You've got it, sir. So if we go over here and we trace where the stock fuel lines are located, they go around, well, they are right there, and they come down and around and they pop out right here. These are two, I'm not too familiar with the stock fuel system, but we got these two right here that you don't use. But there's these two right here, and they go, let's see if I can zoom in. See that right there? They go there and they run along down yonder, and they would pop out over here. Well, you go down here and you cut them shorter. This is how I've seen most of them done. So this is how I did it. You cut them, and then you attach your high pressure fuel lines. One is feed and one is return. And you would connect those to your fuel rail. This is return and this is feed, I believe, if I remember correctly. Now, as for the fuel tank, you can see the line right here. This is the feed. So this line runs from the tank to your inline fuel pump. And there's also a line right there that is for your, that's too close. That is your return line. That's the quick and simple way to do your fueling system for your ABA swap. You can get an inline fuel pump relatively cheap. I have sourced them on eBay for 30 bucks, and that's what's currently in this truck right here, and it works great so far. The stock fuel pumps work just as well as long as you have the stock fuel pump. My cars did not come with the stock fuel pump. They came with one for lower pressure because the engines that were in here were changed to carbureted. So yeah, you can go on eBay and get yourself a inline fuel pump, and it'll do the job. The Race Rabbit that I got has a Walboro 255 inline fuel pump, whereas this one is just a cheap old eBay one, as long as it does the job. Just another quick rundown. It's these two fuel lines, feed and return, bent upwards, and then fed into your fuel rail. I've also seen them kept where they were originally, and the fuel lines run around. I just think keeping them closer to the fuel rail is probably better, but I don't know. I just do whatever works for me. Look at my exhaust down there. It's got like a hose blocking off a tube that comes out of the exhaust. Anyway, the fueling system is relatively simple, but can get confusing, especially with the fuel tank. The return line is literally right next to the feed, so it's not like the return line's going to be up higher or lower, which wouldn't make any sense. They're literally right next to each other. So just remember, the feed is on, when you're looking at it from this angle, the feed is on the left side of the tank and the return is on the right side of the tank. That's going to do it for this video. I hope it was informational. I hope you took something from this. I hope I was able to help out. If anybody has any other questions, comment those questions below. And you can also hit me up on my social medias. My social media accounts are the same as the name of my YouTube channel. So, everything's super easy to find. You guys can find me on there. I get questions all the time, and I'm always going to answer. I'd never leave one of you guys in the dust, because you guys are always helping me out, so I want to help you out. I will catch you guys in the next video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Peace out.